how to turn on or off post notifications from people you follow on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off posts notifications from people you follow on Likee app. So first thing, go to your Likee. Now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there, click on setting. Once you are here, click on notifications. And you're gonna find the first option, which is posts from people I follow. Notify when people you are following have posted update. So me, basically, I always turn off this option, because everyone I follow, when they post, they send me a notifications. So that's maybe a little bit like annoying. All you need to do is turn off this option. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.